Hello everyone students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Good. So today we are going to continue our next topic, that is the adaptations. In our previous class we have studied about the adaptations. What is meant by adaptations? Adaptations means the features of animals which helps them to survive in that habitat. Okay. So today we are going to study about the few examples of the animals and their adaptations. Okay. The first region is polar region. Okay. You know very well polar region is having which kind of climate? It is having very cold climate, means that part of this region is almost always covered with the snow. And you know what, there is very great thing is that for the 6 months the sun does not set at that poles, and while the other 6 months the sun does not rise. This is very amazing thing for that place. Okay. And you know the temperature is maybe it has a low minus 37 degrees Celsius. Okay. So to survive such a cold temperature, cold climate, these animals are having the certain features, means that are having few adaptations. So which kind of adaptation, that we will see. The first animal is polar bear. We will see about the polar bear. Polar bears में क्या क्या adaptations होते हैं? Polar bears have the white fur. Okay. So because of that white fur, there are the two advantages of that white fur. This white fur of polar bear, because of that color, they cannot easily visible in the snow, means they can hide with themselves with the background. Okay. This is the advantage of their color. वो क्या करते हैं, अपने आप को hide कर लेते हैं उस snow में, and they get protects from the predators. Okay. This is the one advantage. And another is that the fur and that fur of their bodies which helps them to protect from the cold. उनके जो fur होते हैं, skins hair, उसके वजह से वो क्या मिलता है, उनको protection मिलता है cold से. Okay. So these are the two advantages of that fur. Also they have the thick layer of the skin अंडर देयर स्किन. ओके. उनके बॉडी में फैट्स के थिक लेयर होती हैं. ओके. दैट फैट्स विच प्रोवाइड देम द हीट. वो फैट्स उनको क्या प्रोवाइड करते हैं? हीट प्रोवाइड करते हैं. देयर फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ लाइक स्विमिंग विच हेल्प्स देम टू keep warm. Okay. And they are means polar bears are very good swimmers. Their paws help them to swim in swimming. कैसे paws होते हैं उनके? Their paws are wide and large. Okay. So that paws help them to swim well. Okay. And not only it helps in swimming, but also they get help in the walking easily in the snow. One more feature is that they can close their nostrils and they can remain underwater for the long duration. Okay. And it has a strong sense of smell. उनकी जो sensing smell sensing होती है वो strong होती है. Because of that they can catch its prey for the food. Okay. So these are the special features of the polar bears. Because of that they can easily means survive in the polar region. Okay. Now one more animal like a penguin. One more animal, that is penguin, which is also live in polar region. And penguin is also having some features which helps them to survive in that region. क्या होते हैं उनके features? Just like similarly like polar bears, few features are very similar, like they are also white and their color is white, so they can merge well with the background. वो अपने white background से क्या हो जाते हैं? merge हो जाते हैं. Okay. Then they have the thick skin and lots of fat. उनकी skin होती है, thick skin होती है, and they have fats also which helps them to protect from the cold. Okay. Then another features of that, they are also very good swimmers like polar bears. Okay. And their body is streamline shape. You know what is the use of streamline shape? Because of the streamline shape they can easily swim in the water. Okay. That is why they are very good swimmers. Along with the polar bears and penguins, there are also different fishes and different animals also lives in this polar region, just like the fishes, musk oxen, reindeers, foxes, seals, whales and birds. Okay. Means they can also survive in the polar region. Now see the students on page number 73. at the below figure 7.3, you can see that there is one diagram, a picture is given of polar bear, and after that there are some few adaptations, its adaptations given. So we will see that, we will discuss it. The first adaptation is the polar bear is having the white fur. Okay, उस white fur से क्या होता है, they are not easily visible in that background, means they can hide themselves in the snow. Okay, second adaptation is what, they have the strong sense of smell. उनकी जो smell capacity होती है, sensing, that is also very strong. Okay, so what is the use of that strong sense of smell? They can easily locate the प्रे, वो अपने जो शिकार होते हैं उसको इजीली कैच और लोकेट कर पाते हैं. ओके, थर्ड एडेप्टेशन इज व्हाट, दे हैव द शार्प एंड कर्व क्लॉज. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट what they can do, they can easily help to walk on the ice. मीन्स उनको हेल्प किसकी मिलती है, आइस पे वो चलने की, ईजिली चल पाते हैं. ओके, देन they have the fats under their skin, so what that, because of that fats they can get protect from the cold, वो ठंड से उनको प्रोटेक्शन मिलता है. and they have the thick furs on their body. The fifth adaptation is that they have the thick fur on their body which helps them to keep warm in cold weather. Okay, जिसके वजह से वो क्या रह पाते, वार्म रह पाते उस कोल्ड वेदर में भी. So these are the 5 different adaptations of the polar bears and their uses, means their adaptations and their uses. Okay, everything is given in this figure 7.3. So today we have studied about the polar region animals. In that we have studied the adaptations of polar bears and the adaptations of penguins. I hope you have understood this topic. Now in our next class we will continue our next topic, that is we will see the next topic, that is tropical rainforest. Okay, means we will see what are the climatic condition of that place, tropical rainforest, and their animals which lives in their tropical rainforest, what kind of adaptations they have. So that we will see in our next part. Okay, thank you.